Isa ang Vietnam sa mga bansang kaibigan ng Pilipinas. Noon pa man, maganda na ang relasyon ng dalawang bansa, lalo na sa usapang trade, tourism at agriculture. Kamakailan lang, nilaunch dito sa atin sa Pilipinas ang mga electric vehicle taxis na purely made from Vietnam. At papahuli rin ba ang mga bus? Last June 26, nilaunch ng BJ Mercantile ang partnership nila with TACO, isang malaking automotive manufacturer sa Vietnam. Ganun na rin ang pag-reveal ng kanilang newest model of buses. Nagkaroon ng signing of partnership si BJ Mercantile with TACO as exclusive distributor ng kanilang mga produkto tulad ng buses, trucks, vans, and even trailers.
How did we actually get to meet TACO to begin with? When we were working with one of our clients, they came to us and they said, can we actually look at the TACO body? Can we go to Vietnam, look at the TACO body for our Scania chassis? When we got to visit the factory, actually, I was very, very impressed with the facilities of TACO, and that's where it all started. I felt that they would be the perfect partner for us in terms of quality products that we are looking for. They will be the perfect partner for us in terms of professionalism that they have shown. And I am very hopeful that they will support us through and through.
At ang unang bumili ng complete TACO bus ay si Bicol Isarog. Ngunit, una nating nakita ang ganitong klaseng bus sa Victoryliner na may Volvo engine. Bumili si Victoryliner ng Volvo bus at binigyan sila ng option kung anong body ang gusto nila, at isa sa kinonsider ng Auto Delta ay si TACO. Kaya naunang lumabas ang sleeper bus ni Victoryliner. At sumunod na rito ang first class bus nila with 2x1 configuration. Ngunit, body lang ang binili nila dito, hindi buong produkto ni TACO. This year 2025, nilabas ni TACO ang kanilang newest model of buses, ang TACO Cruiser. Available in 2x2 configuration or 2x1 configuration. meron silang iba't ibang types of coach buses. Nandyan ang 8.1 meter ang haba, meron ding 8.7 meters, 9.5 meters, 12 meters coach bus. Kung mapapansin natin, meron siyang malaking black grille design sa harap na may pattern ng diamond design. But kung titignan yung maigi in detail, meron itong T motif based sa letter T in words of Taco. Same with headlights and taillights. Letter T rin ang DRL nila. And here's the driver cockpit na multifunction na rin ang steering wheel. Syempre, hindi pa patalo ang sleeper bus na mas kilala sa kanila, presenting the Taco Mobi Home. Available in 1x1x1 beds or 1x1 beds. At akala ng iba, para sa Scania engine ito. But those Taco buses are equipped with Weichai engine and fast 6-speed manual transmission, and also equipped with built-in speed limiter, ABS and anti-slip control system, and retarder, na masasabi natin na kayang tumapad sa dumadaming Chinese buses dito sa Pilipinas. Lahat ng components ng body ay gawa ni Taco from Vietnam. Even the glasses, headlights, seats, and even the metal structures. Na meron pang technology ng Korean na mapapansin nyo na may pagka-Hyundai ang porma nila. And this is the Bicol Isarog Taco Bus. Simula pa lang ito sa patuloy na pagsuporta ng Taco Auto from Vietnam sa BJ Mercantile dito sa Pilipinas. Ano pa ang mga aabangan natin na mga darating na buses from Taco sa susunod? Abangan natin!